Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new, welcome to our channel. In our last video, we had learned about the industries of our Karnataka. In that industries, we have studies about the iron and steel industries, cotton textile industries and sugar industries. In today's session, let us see paper industries, cement industries and information technology industries or IT industries. Now let us start paper industries. Paper is of great importance in the modern world. It is essential for the education papers and for the propagation of cultures. It is the forest based industries. We are all know that it is a forest based industry. Bamboo, wood, pulp, grass, cloth and waste are the uses as a raw material for the manufacturing of a paper. The first paper mill was Mysore Paper Mill Limited. It was established in the year 1936 at Bhadravati. Later a private company, West Coast Paper Mill, was started at Dandeli. Bamboo, eucalyptus trees, pulp from the nearby forest, water from the Kali river and electricity from the Jog are supplied to these mills. Now let us see different paper mills of our Karnataka. Those are the Nanjangud, Krishnaraj Sagar, Satyagala, Mundagod, Munirabad, Edur and Bengaluru. Karnataka ranked 4th in the production of paper in our whole country. Karnataka produced 3.4 lakh tons of the paper produced as per annually. Those are all the fruitful and important information related to the paper industries. Now let us move on. Cement industry. Since urbanization and industrialization has increased in Karnataka, the demand for the cement is increased. For the construction purposes, construction activities, it has also increased. The cement is essential for constructing houses, public buildings, roads, bridges, dams, etc. Limestone, which is necessary for the establishment of a cement in a cement industry, it is found in abundance in our Karnataka. In addition to the gypsum and bauxite are also available here in our Karnataka. Only the coal has been imported from our neighboring states. In general, we see that our neighboring states are Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Kerala. Those are all the neighboring states of our Karnataka. Now let us see which are the neighboring countries of our India. Now let us first clarify about the countries which are sharing land boundaries with our India and the neighboring countries. Those two are different. Let us see. Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. Those are all the countries which are sharing the land boundary with our India. Sri Lanka and Maldives are, they did not share land boundaries with our India. Those are all the neighboring countries of our India. Now let us move on towards our topic. Availability of water, sand, transportation facility, electricity supply, clay and wide market are other factor favorable to the growth of cement industry in our Karnataka. The first cement industry in our Karnataka was established at Bhadravati in the year 1939. Later, the many factories were set up at the Bagalkote, Ammasundara of Tumkur district, Shahabad of Kalaburgi district and other cement producing centers are Wadi, Lokapura, Ittegehalli, Madakeri, Kanchipura, Kaladgi, Kurukunta, Sedam and Chittapura. In our Karnataka produce 8% of the total cement in our whole country. At present, it has the annually production capacity of around 121 lakh tons. Those are all about the cement industry in our Karnataka. Now let us see very important and famous industry, that is information technology industry or IT industry. The Karnataka is an important center of information and technology in our India. The information and technology industry have made a great progress here. Here means in our state. Since there is a numerous engineering colleges, research centers, computer-based technological courses, and abundance of a high-skilled manpower are here. Therefore, many software industries have been established here. Today, Karnataka occupies a very high position in our India with regard to the IT companies. IT means information technology, BT means biotechnology. Bengaluru, India's most important information technology center, IT center. We are all know that Bengaluru city is known as a Silicon Valley IT BT city. I have already explained it. What is IT and what is BT? Of our India, it is a leading producer and exporter of software components which are used for the computer programming. It is one of the world's top 10 major high-tech city. The software industries has spread to the suburb around Bengaluru. This city alone has 12,000 IT information technology and BT biotechnology industries and provide employment for more than 4 lakh people here. Here means in our Bengaluru. The leading companies from all over the world, they have been established their branches here. The reason for these are the good climate, electricity supply, technical export, financial assistance, vast marketing and infrastructure. Bengaluru has emerged as a prestigious advanced information technology center in our India. In Bengaluru, we see that many prestigious companies like Infosys, Wipro, etc. we see here. In Bengaluru, they have established their branches in different part of our state. For example, Mysuru, Hubli, Kalaburgi, Shumoga, Tumkuru, Mangalore, etc. This industry is most suitable for the human resources, information, appointment, training, etc. Now let us see industrial region of our Karnataka. Karnataka has been divided into 5 industrial divisions. On the basis of distribution of industries, they are as follows. First one is Bengaluru. In Bengaluru, we see that Kolar, Tumkur industrial region, it has a large number of industries in Bengaluru region. Now let us see our second area is Belagavi. In Belagavi, we see the Dharwad region. Our third region is Dakshina Kannada and Udupi region. Our fourth region is Ballari, Raichur, Koppala industrial region. Our fifth region is Mysore, Mandya industrial region. Those are all the industrial region are distribution of areas related to the industries. Although our Karnataka has divided into 4 divisions for only administrative provinces, those are the Bengaluru, Mysuru, Belagavi and Kalaburgi. It is only for the revision. Those are all about the industrial areas of our Karnataka. Thank you for watching this.